Good morning. So today I'm here at one of my favourite local woodlands once again, called the Licky Hills. It is a beautiful misty morning and we're here to do some wildlife photography, so mainly focusing on small birds. So let's see what we can find. So you may notice that I'm using a slightly different strap today. Usually I'd be using a black rapid and it would be attached to the base of the lens. Well, because I've got a video tripod now and I've got a video plate for it, there's actually nowhere to screw in me a little adapter of the black rapid. So I'm using a Peak Design strap, which is, it's all right, it's what I usually use for general day-to-day sort of stuff. But because I can't attach it to the bottom of the lens, the balance is all off, so I've had to kind of put one on the lens itself and one on the body. So it's not the most comfortable of solutions, and what I found is the camera tends to dive, so I'm walking around with the lens straight down. It's introduced a bit of lens creep, as it turns out, so I've had to tighten it on the lens. So it's just ever so bit harder to zoom out. So I do feel like there's going to be a bit of a 200-800 lens review coming soon, because I've got some opinions on it. I'm also trialling out a new camera. So this B camera here, the one that's recording me right now, let me know how it looks. Does it look any better? Is it any sharper, any clearer? Cheers. That's a sparrowhawk. No way. Well, what I was going to say is you can't beat a good British woodland with a stream running through it, because it all feels like you're in Lord of the Rings. I hope I got that in camera, that would have been sweet. So it's days like today where I feel the need to remind myself of why I actually go out and take photos of birds. It's not about getting the best shot. It's not about getting the best video clip. It's purely about just being out there in nature and enjoying yourself. Fact of the matter is, I've been walking around now for about 4 hours, and photo and video wise, I've got next to nothing. But on the other hand, the weather today has been absolutely beautiful. The woodland has felt crisp and fresh. The reservoir has felt open and beautiful. It's been a really, really, really lovely morning. So, despite the fact I haven't got anything just yet, hopefully I'll get something. You know, it's not about that. It's about having a nice walk in nature and just enjoying nature, really. After visiting the reservoir, I circled back around to the base of the Licky Hills. caught up with all the usual birds, all your blue tits, grey tits, all your woodland sort of species. Now, I've had a few days to reflect on this, and while I was in the fields, you know, I was finding things difficult. I was struggling a bit, struggling to find subjects. Everything was high up against the sky. I wasn't happy with the footage and videos I was getting. But as I said in the field, it's not about that at all. It is purely about being out in nature. Photography is just the vehicle to get you out there. You know, any day I spend out there in the field shooting away, it's better than any day spent just at work bored or, you know, sitting around doing nothing. So on that note, I just want to say thank you so much once again for joining me. I hope to join you again. Well, I hope you can join me again in the next one. Have a lovely day, folks. Cheers.